Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about one of my favorite plants to use for winter color. I recorded videos before about this particular plant. This is a nandina. This one probably is a Gulf Stream nandina, or maybe an obsession. Uh, the reason I wanted to show this to you now is this is the winter color that this plant can get. And you can see how bright red it is. The nandina is one of the few plants that actually gives you more color in the winter time than it does even in the spring and summer. And so that's why we like to use this plant. If it's in the shade, it won't give you quite as much color as this one does now, but you can see this just has an absolutely gorgeous color of red during this time of year. It's a great plant to use. It does fine in sun or shade. The only thing that you can do wrong to it is to overwater it. This plant here probably did get overwatered a little bit. You can see some of the canes showing through, not being quite as healthy. But other than that, you don't need to trim it. You don't need to water it very much. This thing just grows and it makes it really pretty over the winter time. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, growing relationships, and growing trust.